Are you wanting to reap the nutritional benefits of organ meats without feeling like Hannibal Lecter?
I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
Here's how you turn organ meats like liver and heart into easy-to-swallow, long shelf-life supplements. For the liver, cut it up into small cubes and place it in a high-powered blender. It should be the consistency of your favorite smoothie. I'm using a clean, unbleached bamboo parchment paper. Pour out a portion of your liver smoothie and spread it out nice and even. It should not be more than maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. For the heart, you need a very powerful blender and add a little bit of water to the bottom. Add a little more water as needed. And spread the loaf. Place it in a food dehydrator or convection oven at 165 to 170 Fahrenheit for 18 to 24 hours. Dry it until it snaps like peanut brittle. If it's at all leathery, continue drying. Remember this sage wisdom.
You can't over dry. Why not? Same reason you can't over wet. You can't over dye. You can't over dry.
Once it's dry, place it in a food processor with a metal chopping blade. Chop it up for 2 or 3 minutes. Then transfer it to a coffee grinder. Grind your liver mochaccino into a fine powder. You can add that to your coffee in the morning to really put some fuzz on the old kiwis. Seriously though, don't do that. But you want to repeat the process until you're done with all your organ meats. Get yourself some big 000 capsules and fill them up. Repeat that a couple of 100 times until your fingertips bleed. And store your organ supplements in an airtight jar. Just remember that organ meats are only as good as the animal they are taken from, so stay away from animals that come from large industrial farming operations. I only use the organs from wild game that I harvested myself or from grass-fed local beef that I purchased from a local rancher. I only take these twice a week just to avoid overdoing it, but the liver supplement is a vitamin A powerhouse. It also has lots of B vitamins, iron that's easy to absorb, and choline. And the heart supplement has CoQ10, B vitamins, zinc, and selenium, as well as high-quality, dense protein. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time at Adiga Armory.